How many times have you seen roadworks signs, but there's no roadworks happening? I've seen it quite a few times, and I happened to see a bloke at a shopping centre who had the same sort of car as me, and I noticed he had a dash cam. I said, "Why did you buy it?" And he said, "Oh, just to show Vic Roads or whoever that they put up the signs and they leave them up there, especially at the weekend when they're not working." He wasn't very computer literate, but I said, "Well, put it on a memory stick and post it to me and I'll make a YouTube video." So this is what I've done. It appears to be on Eastland, and he said it was on the 26th of March, which was a Tuesday, I think, in the middle of the day. There's a bit of traffic. There's lots of signs. Traffic had to slow down to 80 and then down to 40. There's no evidence at all of any roadworks, vehicles, construction or mowing. Nothing seems to be happening. Now, I don't know if they were about to set up or if they'd gone home and didn't take the signs down. But I have seen this in the country many times, especially at weekends. The workers are too lazy to take the signs down or at least cover them up, so you end up slowing down for nothing. It makes a bit of a mockery of the signage to slow down when you shouldn't have to, because nothing's happening. I'll let you be the judge of what you think. In America they have fake news. In Australia we have fake signage. It was very well signposted for the slowing down from the 80, then down to the 40. But still nothing happening. This has been going for perhaps a couple of minutes, driving at 40 kilometres an hour for no reason. This is obviously on the East Link near the Ferntree Gully Road exit. This is in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. Now, the thing that did concern me when I saw this video, if you have a look on the left, it's a bit hard to see, but there's an end of roadworks sign that says you can do 100. But if that's blocked by traffic, there's no sign on the right to say that you can now go up to 100 kilometres an hour. So you could be sitting on 40 kilometres an hour for a long time. Bye for now.